Hi everybody and welcome back to Sensory Centers. Today we're going to be doing a motor skills activity that's perfect for winter. So we're going to be doing a snowman cotton ball fill. I think I called it fill the water bottle snowman or something. But as you can see, this is not a water bottle. I didn't have an empty clean water bottle, so I had an empty container of glitter. And the top screws off so that it can be open on the top. The opening is much bigger than it would be on a water bottle, but this just goes to show you that with Sensory Centers, you can just use what you have. So if you don't have what I'm suggesting, or you don't even have what I have here, find something for yourself that you can work with. That's also part of STEM too, is if you don't have like what it's calling for, you just look around with what you do have and you make it work. So that's what we did today with this. So I have my glitter bottle instead of a water bottle, and I did decorate it to look like a snowman. So I used a Sharpie to draw on the eyes and mouth. I cut out the nose from a piece of orange construction paper and I hot glued it on, and then I cut a piece of ribbon and hot glued it to the bottom to kind of look like a scarf. Also, I think I recommend using cotton balls in the description and in the, no, there's no make and take for this, so just in the description. But we have little styrofoam balls instead, and I'm going to use that today because they look like little snowballs. You also need some kind of tweezers or tongs. So we have these kid tweezers, like for science stuff here. So that's what I'm going to be using today, but you use what you have at home. If you have regular tweezers, if you have cooking tongs, if you have something like this, use what you have at home. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to decorate your bottle if you want it to look like a snowman. If you want to just start this project and go, you don't have to decorate your bottle. But you're going to take the lid off so that there's a perfect place for putting stuff in. And then you would probably want to spread these out on the table. I don't want them to go everywhere, so I'm going to leave them in my bag, and I'm going to scoot back a little bit. And then you're just going to use the tongs and try to pick up, your little pieces. And you're going to fill your snowman. Like, there's really big ones in here, and that works, and the little ones work, and the medium-sized ones work. But maybe your goal is, like, how many can you fit in there? Maybe you're going to count how many you can fit in. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 in. So maybe you want to try with different sizes or even different materials. If you have cotton balls and you have like styrofoam balls at home, try them both and see which one works best, or see who can fit the most in if you're using things with different sizes. Like, so we have really small ones here, and then we have the way bigger ones. So maybe if I had used more of the small ones and didn't use any of the bigger ones, I could have fit more in. So, but the whole goal is to kind of get the, use the tweezers, the tongs, and get like the grippy feel, which is what these like fill a bottle, fill a whatever things are about, is getting this kind of motor skill with your hands. Because if you think about it, the way you hold tongs is a bit similar to the way you hold a pencil. And the way you snap tongs is even a bit similar to how you would use scissors. So this is a fun activity that helps you build kind of like the pincer type of motor skill with your hands, and you're not thinking about it, and it's not hard. So this is a way that makes that fun. So hopefully you try this at home. If you come up with other ideas or other materials or ways that you could do this, feel free to share them with me. Other than that, enjoy filling your snowman and have a great day.